What's up, everybody? If you see the title down below, yes, Taeyang had a concert on my birthday. I wasn't there, obviously, but I was here in the States. But if I was in the Seoul, probably would have gone for sure. Man. But not just that. Not just that. And if you've been following me for so long, you know how long I've been with Big Bang, from the ups, the ups, the ups, even sometimes the downs, downs, downs. But I'm just through and through VIP. And as VIPs, y'all, this is me speaking to the VIPs. It's a lot. We've been through a lot. We've definitely been through a lot. And I just had my birthday. I'm a lot older now, obviously, from when you first probably discovered me. And I get emotional when it hits home when I talk about the groups that I grew up with. Oh my God. Anyways, oh my God, are you kidding me, Dre? I just woke up too. Bro, I think I'm just aging, bro. Like, things are getting more emotional. Anyways, I had a great birthday, by the way. I'm about to have an even better birthday because everybody named Mama were texting me that Taeyang brought out G-Dragon and Daesung. And, like, I mean, everybody got, like, their, opinions and what they thought. And I'm like, this is just the best birthday gift ever. Thank you, Taeyang. I knew you remembered my birthday. Not my delusional ass thinking that.
Dope birthday, congrats.
Thank you.
Dope birthday, congrats. Yes, famous guy.
But let me live, bro. Like, come on. But we're gonna check this out. I finally found some 4K footage. I think I'm gonna watch this like at least twice. So without further ado, enough talking. Be sure to check out the links in the description down below. Follow my socials. I do post more on short form content on Instagram and TikTok, so follow both of those at JREAMERS every day. But without further ado, let's check out Big Bang, GD, X Taeyang, Lightyear, in Seoul, We Like to Party, and Good Boy. Oh my God. Look at Daesung, bro. Oh, I would have gotten lit, bro. Party! We like to party! Oh, the new Taeyang! I need to get the bro! I need to get the new Taeyang light stick! I need that! I need that! Woo! To party! Yeah, we do! Give me my red cup! Woo! We like to party! Yeah, 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 yeah. Sorry, excuse my singing, by the way. Woo! Wait, what? I saw clips, but I never seen the full. Oh, they're getting down. Ooh, look at the close-up of to Taeyang. Lightstick looks so good. Chills, bro. Chills. Y'all don't understand. It's been years since G-Dragon's been on a stage like this. He's so shy. Bro, it's been like, what, 7 years? Oh, he's not used to it. It's been a minute. You better slow it down, bro. Hey, y'all better turn up with me, yo. Hey, we like to party. Oh, so good, bro. We like to party. Look at Daesung getting it, bro. Okay, G-Dragon, GD, Kwon Ji-young. Taeyang, of course, looks amazing. Woo! He better. Oh my God, I'm so happy. We like to party. What? You see him popping up? Woo! Let's go, G-Dragon. The king. Y'all better sing. Okay, Taeyang, nah. You know Taeyang be extra-ish. Remember when Loser came out? He was going, I'm a loser. Like over and over, like on some church level-ish. Daesung be drumming all the time, though. And he's still singing his... Yeah! Let's go, GD. Oh, this is a great way to start my day. This is a great way. I don't know if you're feeling what I'm feeling.
제가 대기실에서 보고 그러지 말고 한번 올라와라. 그래서
Bro.
애매하게 대답을 했거든요.
Look at him.
봐서
He's basically low-key catching up.
역시
There's no subtitles, and surprisingly, I still don't know that much Korean after all these years.
오랜만에 우리 셋이도 뭉쳤는데 인사 한번.
It must be hot up there. Look at his outfit, though. Swagger. Bruh, GD the same as always, bruh.
어저께 준비하셨잖아요.
그죠? 네.
그래서 안 오면 제가 되게
네.
나쁜 놈이 돼서.
Damn, his voice. His voice, though.
아 잘했어. 여러분들 지웅이 큰 박수 부탁드리겠습니다.
Woo!
사실
You're about to watch me
많은 얘기들이 있었습니다.
not understand everything, but some things,
우리들은 사실 중간중간 이렇게 좀
and look like I'm waiting for some subtitles.
이 스리샷은 오랜만이 아니고 거의 처음입니다.
Bro, his glasses, though.
역사적인 날이고.
If anybody could explain what the conversation was in the comments down below, that would be much appreciated.
저는 이렇게 아까
Because I will be checking the comments like I usually do.
저기 와서 구경하고 있었는데 제가 앉아 있어도
Damn, his voice got deep, bro.
알아서 하시더라고요.
아 팬분들이
그래서 아니 너무 좋더라고요.
Oh, it's always been that way.
그래서 되게 좋았어요.
The power of Taeyang, bringing out the best.
저랑 태양 형은 무대를 꾸몄기 때문에 여러분들
He just wiped on him. All the, look at the, the outfit, though. Look at the, peep the outfit. Peep the outfit. Hey, shout out to the person that uploaded this fan cam.
좋아요. 좋습니다. 오늘 되게 미칠 수가 없네요. 조심하겠습니다. 그래서 한번 둘이서 한번 오랜만에 또 무대.
Bro, those pants are fire, though. What G-Dragon has. Daesung is just something I can't wear. Supposedly there's gonna be like a G-Dragon comeback, maybe.
남자 들어가죠. 두 분이서 한번 치는.
My VIP heart can't. Wait, they're gone? Wait, what?
여러분 즐겨주세요. 가보겠습니다.
G-Dragon's like, get me out of here.
여러분들 굿보이 준비됐어요? Alright, let's go.
Oh no, they're gonna perform Good Boy. Put your hands in the air. I can see you out there. Oh, bro, I almost forgot the lyrics. Fake fan. Nah. Bruh. That grunt though. I'm ready. Y'all ready? Whoa. I am a good boy. Hey, get it up. I am a good. Hey, ladies. Ow. I am a good. Go. Gangsta. Ooh, I'm getting chills. Woo. Hey. Bro, G-Dragon, come back. We need you. The K-pop world needs you. The music world needs you. Let's go, Taeyang. I always got love for you, bro. Hey. Woo! I am a good boy. Hey. Woo! I remember when they made this. This was like the fastest thing they made, and it got so viral. Ooh. Okay, footwork. Okay, footwork. Okay, dancers. Shout out to the dancers. Hey! 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 Oh, this makes me so happy, bro. That. Hey! Oh, this duo right here. Hey! Hey! Oh my God, I'm tearing up, bro. Oh. Oh my God, I would have lost it if I saw this like live. Hey, 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 hey. I am a good boy. Woo. Hey, 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 hey. Get it, get it. Where we going? Where we going? Hey, hey. Go. Hey, 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 hey. Sorry, y'all. I'm hyped up. Here we go. Woo! I love this part of Taeyang. Ooh, with a guitar. Okay, GD. Tell me where you at? Where you at? Put your hands in the air. Are you feeling up there? Hey, hey, hey. Oh my God, I'm getting lit, bro. Whew. I'm ready. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all understand. Good. Oh my God. It's been years, bro. First of all, Taeyang is going on a tour. Hopefully he comes to the States so I can actually watch this live. Because you know damn well I'm going to try to go and watch this. And then we get G-Dragon. G to the D. Why did I? Bro, it's the VIP feels in me. That would be me right there. But I would go, I'm like, ah! Is that it? That's it. What a time to be alive, bro. I know a lot of things happen in the K-pop world. I won't get into like super detail. And everybody got their own like stuff. But it's just always great to see yo faves just have fun, rock out the stage, and it just brings me happiness. That was nice. Yeah, that was nice. I know I haven't been uploading consistently because your boy's been busy. I've been a part of a K-pop cast, a K-pop podcast named Ultimate Bias K-pop Cast with my co-host Soren. We've been interviewing a bunch of people, amazing people. We interviewed Chang'e, DPR Ian, I Am from Monster X. Right now, Zero Base One. Guys, check it in the description, link in the description. I think we uploaded to Spotify and then we upload the visual to YouTube. There's gonna be a lot more content gonna be put out there. But yeah, I'm not sure because I'm just the co-host. I don't run ish. The producers run ish. Got a Patreon. I haven't uploaded it recently because I've been busy, but when I do upload, I usually upload more like long form content over there, like whether it be reactions to like movies, you know, dramas, live stages if things get blocked. If like music videos get blocked on here, I upload there for free. By the way, it's free. People have the stigma that you have to pay. I'm like, no, it's up there for free. There is some paywall, but that's like $1. That's if you want to support me. Support your boy. But enough of that. Big Bang, GD, Taeyang. This was a treat. This was an effing treat, and it's a great way to. It's just a great birthday gift for me. I like to say it's a birthday gift because it came out on my birthday, so this was definitely dedicated to me. Says the Delulu self of myself. My Delulu self is saying that, but you know, let me believe. Let me be Delulu for a bit, okay? Okay. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. I will be trying to upload more content here. It might not be reactions, but it might be a vlog. It might be like a little skit. Yeah, your boy is getting old. I am Lolo status. Check out my social media on Instagram, TikTok. There's a bunch of stuff and awesome content there. Actually, it's been doing very well. Been working with a lot more Filipino artists over there, like Beanie, My, BGYO, and a lot more coming up. Yeah. All right, y'all. That's just a little bit update of my life. If you want to be more updated with my life, follow my Discord, link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all? All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.